Damn it.
Central Daylight Parish in northwestern Louisiana. This can perish until 30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Hudson's storm was located near Cotton Valley, or 11 miles north of Lyndon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for northern Webster and Claiborne parishes, including the city of Homer.
Oh, crap.
Hazard: baseball-sized hail and 70
Baseball-sized hail. Oh, my God.
Source: radar indicated.
No freaking way.
Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles.
Holy crap.
Locations impacted include Ruston, Lyndon, Grambling, Homer, Arcadia, Haynesville, Bernice, Cotton Valley, Gippsland, Shongaloo, Cooley, Dubuque, Simsboro, Vienna, Evergreen, Athens.
Oh my
Lisbon,
God.
Mount Zion, and Lake Claiborne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage.
Oh my God.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville,
Yeah, we're probably gonna get a derecho. That is crazy.